More interesting bone of the human body, that is also called the beauty bone, is the collarbone, that is called the clavicle. So clavicle is a very special bone of the human body, and it has got so many special features, but for the viva purpose you should know 5 important things about the clavicle bone. So one is that the superior surface is smooth and lower surface is rough. So this is for the identification of the side of the clavicle, that which side it belongs. The superior surface is smooth and lower is rough. And medial end is quadrangular in shape because it forms the sternoclavicular joint. While the lateral end is flattened superior-inferiorly or dorsoventrally, and it has got the articular facets which articulates with the acromion to form the acromioclavicular joint. So 5 things you have to remember about the beauty bone or the clavicle. Number 1. So all you have to say to the examiner according to the importance. Which is the most important feature of the clavicle bone, you should say first of all. And the least important on the 5th position. So we'll do like this: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and the 5th. So first special feature about the clavicle you will told is that, what you will tell, that this is the first bone to start ossification or solidification or conversion from cartilage or chondrocyte to the bone, that is the osteocyte. And it starts ossifying between the 4th and 5th week intrauterine ossification start, and last to complete, that has to complete the sentence. So this is the first bone to start ossification at the age of the 4 to 6 weeks of the intrauterine life, and last to complete, that is the complete answer, up at the age of 21 to 23 years. So this is the first specialty you have to tell in front of the examiner. Number 2 specialty is that it has got intramembranous development. So it develops in the mesenchyme. So intramembranous is the development. All the other bones of the body, they ossify in the cartilage, but this in the membrane, that is called the mesenchyme. That is the second importance. Third importance is that it has got no medullary cavity. No medullary cavity. So if you break it, you will see that it is solid from inside. Solid from inside. Fourth specialty, that it is subcutaneous throughout, from medial end to the lateral end. It is subcutaneous. This is the fourth important. Subcutaneous. No other bone in the human body is whole of the subcutaneous, only and only the clavicle. So superior surface is smooth. The last thing you have to tell the examiner about the specialty is that it is a long bone lying horizontally. No doubt, it is a long bone, but it lies horizontally. So that here is lying horizontal in position. So these 5 things you have to remember about the clavicle. There are other things also, but this is the most important, and which is the priority number 1, number 2, number 3, that is very, very important. Now examiner is assessing you that what you are saying about the clavicle. If you say the 5th thing, first of all, that is the long bone lying horizontally, so this is not a correct thing. First is the clinical importance, first is the most important part of the bone you have to say first of all, then grading about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Thank you.